How to install AMD graphics driver on Windows 10 and 11. So if you want to install AMD graphics driver on Windows 10 and 11, then what you need to do is first go with your Chrome browser or any browser, and then you just need to simply go with search and search for AMD graphics driver. Once you search here, you will have the drivers and support for processors and graphics, which is www.amd.com. You can go with that, and it will take you to this kind of page. So you just need to simply go with Windows 10 or 11 drivers, and here you need to go with Windows drivers, download. Just simply click on it and it will start the downloading process. So you just need to simply go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. So just wait for some time till it downloads. You can open up full download history, and from here you'll be able to see the downloading process. And once it's downloaded, you can simply double click on it and you can go with yes, and you'll get this kind of interface where you can simply go with install, which is here on the right side. So once you go with install, it will start the installing process and you'll be able to have the AMD software installed on your computer or your PC. And once it's finished, it will automatically launch the AMD software installer window that you're seeing right here. Now at this point, the software is just doing a scan on your PC hardware to check what graphics card you have and which driver needs to be installed. Once it's done checking all of that, you should see a window where it recommends the drivers to be installed. So in my case, AMD software cannot proceed because I don't have the graphics hardware in my system. So it will just recommend what drivers are needed in your PC, and you will have the install option, and from there you'll be able to install the AMD graphics driver on your Windows 10 or 11. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.